Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Non-consensual towing, that's what we do. Anyway, I wanted to mention we got a giveaway coming up, 90K. Next video I should hit 90K. So I'm gonna be doing pulling names out of the hat again on the following video after I hit 90K. So like, subscribe, leave a comment. I'm gonna pull the names right out of the comments. I'll pull them, write down all the names out of the first 200, and I'm gonna pull 10 names out of the hat out of the first 200 comments on the next video. Anyway, I want to show you, I want to thank the guys at realtruckers.com for the t-shirts, and I'll show you the website right here. Thanks for the shirts. They're subscribers and viewers of the channel. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for being part of the channel, being part of the Tow Trucker family. And without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some content. But I want to thank everybody. I want to thank my boss, and last but not least, man, the most important, I want to thank God for allowing me to do what I do and keeping me safe. Anyway, peace. We roll in hot, man. Got another one. Somebody just called. Manager just called a black truck in at Building 11. I got to figure out which one of these trucks it is. It's probably this one right here with the trash in the back of it. We're gonna spin around and pretty sure, yeah, that's it right there. This person's not, he pulled the sticker off the truck. You know, he's got trash in the back of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook it real quick. It's time to get it. I'm sure they're not gonna be happy.
I just purchased that vehicle from him and I'm about to move it.
Does it run?
I live here, yeah.
Okay, you're gonna have to move it right now because she's calling to tow it.
I told her it's running. I don't know why she's not going to start running.
What's going on?
They think it don't run.
The office say
No,
that.
the truck runs. I'll crank it up right now.
Well, hey, the property manager called it in to tow. So if
No,
you
they put a sticker on it, and I fixed the tires on it, and it's good now. There ain't no sticker, there ain't no notification.
has it got a bad tag on it?
No, I ain't got no bad tag on
But
it.
I did tell him
I got insurance on it.
I believe you. Hey, I just know they called. The office called. All I know.
Let me get the keys over there.
Anyway, this is instance right here that these people were dragging their feet. The office put a sticker on it to tow it, and he said there ain't nothing wrong with it because he pumped the tires up. It does got, I mean, he did pump the tires up on it. The tires are pumped up, and it runs.
Can you please give me 10 minutes to find those keys?
Yeah, you find the keys. I mean, the thing is, I can't leave here without the vehicle.
And I understand. What should I do? Should I call the law up here to show that that's my car and it does run?
Well, you just need to find a key. I mean, hey, you got to remove it. I mean, if you can't move the car.
No, I can't. I just lost the lights.
Oh, okay. Anyway, the store's starting to get better now. They can't find a key to it. I'm gonna have to tow it. Let me call you back later, Mark. I'm in the middle of an impound. Okay, I'll call you back. Hey. Yeah, hey. I know. Hey, listen, they're supposed to be moving it. I don't know. I mean, I told him the manager called that car in to tow, and he pulled it over there. He said he pumped the tires up, but Okay, yeah. Hey, listen. I told him it's got to go. I told him I'm here to get the car, and I got. You know, that's what I do. I yank cars. Call up there if you want to. Well, these are the maintenance guys. He's calling to the office and find out what the story is. It is a running operable vehicle. He said it's tagged and insured, but either way, something's going on with between the property manager and this people and this particular couple. Anyway, I wish I would have got a hook on it. I just couldn't get a hook on it quick enough. That's the way this business is. We do miss some from time to time. We do miss them. There ain't no way to get them all, but I tell you what we do. We get a bunch. I can tell you that. Anyway, that's how it goes sometimes. I'm gonna roll to the next. Here rolling, man. We got another driver. Jeremy's working with me today. We're on this property, but he's rolling in the wheel lift, trying to find him a wheel lifter. RSI. Yeah. What's up, brother? Hey, tell you what. Let me pull out of your way. You spin around and you can hook it. I don't know if it's got the electric e-brakes on or not, but you can. I know you can get a hook on it. Yeah, that's gonna be it there. Yeah, you're good. Hey, if it's in neutral, just roll on out. If it's in neutral, go and sign it out. I'm gonna go grab that charger. All right. At least we'll get 2 out of here. Anyway, I'm gonna have to pull around here and grab this. We got this charger. It's gonna be a hard pull out. This charger I got on the top of this deck over here, but I'm gonna get it. It's like I said, it's just gonna be a difficult pull out. Anyway, that's the way it is. These cars are not always in their easiest locations to get out, especially when there's a lot of cars parked around them. But I can get it loaded. Anyway, I got that loaded up. Thing about towing these higher end cars, it's not really high end, but it's a nice car, and it's the special edition Charger. Thing about towing these kind of cars in situations like the one I just towed, if it's a hard pull out and you're out here and you get nervous somebody's gonna come out, you're trying to get in a hurry, you will tear cars up. I'm not gonna get in no hurry and tear a car up because I'm gonna make the money. I'm gonna get it to the yard without a scratch on it, and that's what I just did. I did a cross pull on this car. I used my mat or blanket, whatever you want to call it, and I got that thing loaded. It don't have a scratch on it. There ain't nothing wrong with this car.